Hello everyone, my name is Sarkis Grigoryan. As you know, I'm from Armenia and it's my pleasure to be here with you during this summer school. So it's nice to be here and to discuss with you about artificial intelligence. So my thoughts about artificial intelligence is that it seems to be everywhere. We experience it at home, in our phones, etc. So artificial intelligence will be in just about every product and service we buy and use. And at the same time, concerns about artificial intelligence implications are rising. We know about it. We worry about the impact of artificial intelligence enabled automation on the workplace, employment, industry, etc. When we say artificial intelligence, people immediately think of the Terminator movie, so the robots, etc. I don't think there will come a time when artificial intelligence will replace humans. It is true that artificial intelligence is developing at a very fast pace, has taken over many fields, but its goal is to make life easier, in my mind. And as for the people whose work will be done by artificial intelligence in the future, they should be trained and educated in other fields and directions in which the human role is primary and inevitable. So, talking about artificial intelligence, of course it is very important in nowadays reality. So, referring to the negative effects of artificial intelligence, I would say that people think robots will take over the world and completely replace humans. But it is not true. However, artificial intelligence models have outperformed humans in many cases. For example, artificial intelligence has outperformed the average human in recognizing objects in pictures, in generation text. So, as we talk about it during our courses in Farrell, at the heart of the artificial intelligence, the main object of artificial intelligence, in my mind, it is collecting data. And the more, the better. So the question is how we use that data, whether it's good or bad. So whether this is good or bad is not longer a relevant question, as artificial intelligence is part of our daily lives. So it has become an inevitable phenomenon that we deal with, and we need tools to deal with it. Most importantly, the development of an investment strategy between the private and the state make trust very stronger between society and government for the development of the given sector and fill the gap. This is more important for me. And to sum up, just let's think about it, let's start to do it, to use it, and in order to live in the future for human being. Thank you so much.